Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of December 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Microsoft's latest Windows 11 update is triggering a bug where File Explorer emits sudden bright white flashes whenever dark mode is in use. Users report that the flashes occur during basic navigation and window opening, making the interface visually disruptive and breaking the consistency of the system's dark theme design. Engineers have begun collecting reports, but no official fix or workaround has been confirmed yet. India has ordered that every new smartphone sold in the country must have the Sanchar Saathi app pre-installed, framing the move as a national effort to prevent telecom fraud and track lost devices. Critics argue the mandate grants the app sweeping access to call logs and device identifiers, raising concerns about surveillance, data collection, and user consent. Industry groups warn the decision could undermine digital privacy expectations for hundreds of millions of users. The Shai-Hulud 2.0 attack marked one of the most expansive NPM supply chain compromises to date, infiltrating hundreds of packages through a coordinated publishing campaign. The malicious updates siphoned off authentication tokens, cloud credentials, and API keys from developer machines, potentially exposing nearly 400,000 secrets. Security teams say the attackers used automated tooling and timing strategies to maximize exposure before the breach was detected. Google's December Android security update patched over 100 vulnerabilities, including 2 0 days actively exploited in targeted attacks. The first is a high-risk privilege escalation flaw, and the second is a remote code execution issue. Devices running Android 13 through 16 were affected, with exploitation allowing attackers deeper system access. The patch highlights ongoing threats to the Android ecosystem and the importance of rapid device updates from manufacturers. ChristianaCare announced that patient data had been compromised earlier this year after a cybersecurity incident involving one of its external electronic health record vendors. The exposed information may include names, social security numbers, dates of birth, diagnoses, and treatment details. The organization stated that, while operations were not disrupted, affected patients are being notified and offered protective services as investigations continue. Security researchers uncovered a malicious NPM package masquerading as a harmless ESLint plugin that evaded multiple AI-powered malware scanners. Once installed, the package executed hidden scripts to extract environment variables, including cloud tokens and configuration keys, and then transmitted them to a remote server. The incident demonstrates how attackers are adapting supply chain malware to slip past modern, model-driven detection tools. Vendors in the medical imaging and healthcare IT sectors are accelerating the adoption of advanced AI systems designed to enhance diagnostic workflows and strengthen cybersecurity. New tools showcased at recent industry events integrate real-time threat detection into imaging platforms and introduce AI-driven automation to reduce manual workload. Providers say these developments aim to balance clinical efficiency with robust protection of sensitive patient data. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.